Hello everyone, I'm Omid from PLCGRAM channel, and in this tutorial I'm going to explain to you how can we create counter in WPL Soft for Delta PLCs. So let's start. Okay, double click on WPL Soft and open it. Create a new project from here and then OK. I use a normal open contact and it is x0. I choose a name for this, for example sensor, or everything you want you can choose. Okay, and then for create counter we have to type CNT space C0 space K, for example 3. Okay, this C0 is number of my counter. You can use everything you want, for example C1, C2, C3, or blah blah blah. And the K3 is the number that when my counter receive this number it will be active, and here is 3. You can use everything you want, 1 2 3 or 100 and blah blah blah, you know. Click on here and then choose a normal open contact, and we have to choose C for now here. Okay, and then click OK, and this normal open is for my counter. Okay, when my counter is active this normal open contact is active too. Then I want when my counter is active my output in my device is will be active too. So type set y0. Okay, and for naming this y0 I go to here device comment list and click on Y and double click here and I put it name, for example alarm. Okay, then click OK, click enter and close this, and you can see the name is show here. And for reset y0 I choose another normal open counter normal open contact, and then it have to be x1 and its name will be reset. Okay, and then OK, click on OK, and then we have to type RSTY0. Okay, and we have to click on this, and for reset our counter we have to click on this and then click vertical line, and then we have to type here STC0, enter. Okay, I go to simulator and then write my program to PLC and then online mode and run it. Okay, I want to see my for example counter status or my alarm or y0 status, and for this I have to go to here edit monitor device, click on this and we have to choose, we have to enter our device name here. Double click, and at the first C0 here, and then here I want, yeah, Y0. Okay, double click on this and input my Y, where is it? Y0. Okay, input, and I put it here, and I click on this and set on, and we see that my counter is number 1 now. We can see from here, and we can see it from here, present value. Okay, and right click again and on and off, and we can see number 2 from here and here, and it is for, and we can see that when my counter received to number 3, because of this it active, and C0 active my alarm. Okay, and you can see that the status of C0 and Y0 are active here. For reset them, I click on here, right click, and then on it, and you can see deactive or turn off my C0 and Y0, and its status is off from here. Okay, thank you for your watching, and please like this video if you like it, and please subscribe me and ring my bell. Thank you again, and see you soon.